Want to print without Wi-Fi or the internet? In this quick guide, I'll show you how to connect your Windows computer directly to an HP printer using Wi-Fi Direct and print in just a few simple steps. Welcome to Print Smart Help. If you need instant support, you can call the number on your screen. Make sure your printer is turned on and ready. Find the Wi-Fi Direct name and password for your printer. If your printer has a touchscreen, tap the Wi-Fi Direct icon. Or open Wi-Fi Direct settings. The printer's Wi-Fi Direct name and password will appear on the screen. If your printer does not have a touchscreen, print a report that shows the Wi-Fi Direct details. The steps may vary depending on your printer model. Most HP printers print this report when you press the information button, press and hold the Wi-Fi Direct button for 3 seconds, press the wireless and information buttons together, or press and hold the Resume, Cancel, or Resume button for 2 to 10 seconds. Check the printed page for the Wi-Fi Direct name and password. If the report says Wi-Fi Direct is off, follow the instructions to turn it on. On your Windows computer, open the file or item you want to print. If you're printing from the web, such as an email or online document, open it before connecting to the printer. Click the Wi-Fi icon in the bottom right corner of the taskbar. Select Manage Wi-Fi Connections. Choose your printer's Wi-Fi Direct name from the available networks. Then click Connect. Enter the printer password and click Next. Go back to your document. Click File, then Print to print your document. Like the video and subscribe for more printer fixes. If your printer is still showing errors after trying all the methods, call the helpline number shown on the screen for further assistance.